What's up, Die Hard Fishing crew? Back at you with another episode. Doing some smallmouth fishing. We brought tube jigs, crankbaits, you know, a little bit of everything. A couple of bigger bass jigs. See what happens. Thanks for viewing. Thanks for subscribing. Catch you guys on the chest. Thanks for watching. How's it going?
Hi, good, how are you?
Good. Trying to get this school of silver bass to start biting. They're right off the end. You just see them come up and eat all the minnows. Smallmouth, there we go. Or no, that's a, haha, yeah. First smallie of the year, let's go. Look at how chunky that dude is. First drop. I switched over to my 7-foot cherrywood medium heavy. Again, 12-pound braid, 10-pound braid, 12-pound fluorocarbon leader. And bam, angler's choice. Ate it instantly. Look at all the minnows. Holy. Yeah, we finally got one. Hooked up with a nice smallmouth. Stay down, baby. Yeah. Oh, there we go. That's a fatty. I got the right color, I think. Look at that football. Yeah. Hooked up. And he tore the hell out of that tube. Bam. Nice fat girl. All right, we'll get her back. See you, baby. Yeah. Let's get some freaking more. Hooked up. Got another one. Yeah. That's what I'm saying. We'll ski this little one in. Number 3 on the day. Let's go. Bam, there's the tube I'm using. There's the fish I'm catching. Wow, look at how fat it's getting. See you, little dude. They're lively today. All right, we're gonna go change batteries. Be right back. This is called the 3-fish Clementine lunch break. gonna explain to you guys how I'm doing this. Chuck it way out there. We're letting it hit bottom. I'm slowly lifting my rod, just so the tube jig just floats down to the next spot with the current. And then you can just feel them nipping at it to pick it up. That bigger one though ate it real good. Oh, that's why they're down there. You see that kind of grass? I don't know if you guys can see that. What Rape said, that weed patch. That's why them smallies are down there. They love that kind of grass. All right. Must be a little point or something. I'm getting these off. I got two back to back. There we go. There he is. Big fish, hooked up. Got another one. Stay down, baby, stay down. I think I got the color. I think we got the color. There we go. Ha 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 ha, yeah. Putting together a pattern. There he is. Nice white belly. I don't know if you guys seen that yet. I like to point my rod tip straight down, keeps the fish head down instead of pulling them up out of the water. Woohoo! He inhaled that tube. Check that out. Got another one. Yeah. Bam. Check that out. There's got to be a school of them down there. Oh, he's been caught before, it looks like. Pop the old tube out. Fluorocarbon still feels good. All right, let's get a nice release on her. See you, baby. Let's get some freaking more. Oh, come on. Hammered it. How's it going? Smallmouth. I got 4 already. I just missed one. That's about it. No, water's still nice and cold. Oh. Water isn't super hot yet. Should be. Oh, there's one. Did you see that? There he is. Yep, got him, got him. Big fish, big fish. Did you see that? Holy crap. Here, I got a lot of line out. Smallmouth, big smallie. Come on, big smallie. Hammered it. Wow, did he eat it good. Look, it's dead sticking the heck out of me. It's right here. You can watch the line. Sheephead.
Sheephead?
Sheephead.
Oh, sheephead.
Fighting that like that? Sheephead. Bass usually comes up to the surface. This thing's just staying down. Yeah, sheephead.
Oh, sheephead.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, big ugly sheephead. Oh, come on, get in here.
Oh, big one.
Oh yeah. Here, I'll bring it towards you. There we go. Perfect. Thank you. You got it? It's heavy. That's about 20 pounds. Look at how big that is. Huge. Thank you.
Maybe 10 pounds, I guess.
Oh, at least. Wow. That's the biggest one so far this year. Oh, that's at least 10 pounds. Oh, yeah. Sheephead.
Oh, you like it?
No,
like that?
no, I don't need it. You want? Oh, yeah, take it. Yeah, yeah. There you go. That's huge sheephead. It punched it so hard when it ate and knocked slack in my line. I thought I missed it. And then I reeled down to catch up to it. Got one. Yeah. He was swimming with it. I couldn't feel bottom. Smallmouth.
Oh,
Smallie.
yeah, the bass. Bass, good.
I got to that spot.
Yeah.
One spot they're at.
What do you use for the bait?
Tube jig.
Oh? We use the plastic.
Yeah, plastic tube. Yeah.
Oh.
Nice smallie.
Nice. 1 pound, 2 pounds.
Yeah, that's a good one. Perfect keeper.
Yeah.
It's okay. It's all right. She won't get off. I'll put her in the net.
What?
Kobe. There we go. That's a good one.
About 3. Oh,
3 pound.
Wow.
3.
Wow.
We'll say 3.
Yeah, this one good. Good size.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah. Here, you want it?
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah.
you don't like that?
No, I don't keep.
Huh? Again? Thank you. Oh, thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
We like this.
Oh, yeah.
Wow, big one.
That's number 5 today.
I never get this big this year, only 1 pound.
Oh, yeah, they are smaller this
Yeah,
year.
small.
Fish? Yep. I'll get the net. Smallmouth? Here, I got it.
Lucky.
There, that is a good color. Reel down? Reel? There you go. Reel down. That's a dark one. There you go. Good catch. Good job.
3 or 4 fun. Aha.
Probably 2.5.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
Black one.
Yeah.
Hello.
There we go. Fish on. Got one. I got to that spot. I don't feel bottom, and then they hit it. Feels a little better.
Bass or sheephead?
Bass.
You can feel. Yeah, you can feel.
Yeah. Might be a sheephead.
Head deep?
Yeah.
Down is
Yeah.
sheephead.
See, he's over
Yeah.
there.
Up is not bass. Down is sheephead. Yeah, sheephead.
Yeah.
About 4 pounds. Also heavy. Wow.
There we go. Got him. Yeah.
You will get big one. You are
Another
big
big one.
You are big one.
Oh yeah. Big guy, big fish. It's just the same size as the other one.
Brother,
That's huge. That is huge. Oh yeah. Man, that's huge.
Also, you don't like keep it. You don't keep that?
No, no. Got him. That's a better one. Smallmouth. Hooked up. Oh, there he goes. Don't need the net. You want that one?
Okay. About 1 pound.
Oh yeah.
Smaller. Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. There you go. Yeah. Another one? You missed one?
What are you doing?
Wow, look at all the minnows. Tons of minnows. Another one. Got him. Back to back. Not bad. Not too bad. Right? There's a school moving through. That's a better fish.
About 1 pound or more?
That's better than that.
Yeah, you can feel.
There. Ooh.
Oh, big.
He's coming up. You want to keep him down, right?
Down is sheep head.
Bass.
You bass. Oh, okay. No, about 1 pound.
And I got her line too. Oh, there we go.
1 pound.
Perfect. Oh yeah, that's a couple pounds. They're getting bigger. This is number 6 for today.
Today you get 6.
Yeah, this is number 6.
You get.
I threw some back before you got here.
Oh, before I get the first big. You can keep some.
No,
For your
I don't eat. I don't eat the bass.
You for family. You only need
No.
walleye, right?
Walleye and perch.
Oh, well, first you don't need this. Okay. What happened? What happened?
I broke my hand.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. There you
This
go.
side.
Oh
This
yeah.
side, this side. But we
Yeah, I had to get surgery. I broke it here and here. Thanks for watching, everybody. Thanks for watching another episode of Die Hard Fisherman. Please like, comment, subscribe if you like what you see. More videos will be out soon. Thanks for watching. Catch you later.